Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Afterpay. So you can either use the app or your web browsers. Either way, it's the same thing. So process is the same. So just open up Afterpay and then make sure you got an account. So log into your Afterpay account. So once you've logged in here, so what you're going to do now here, go to this shop now option and then just search for the store that we're going to pay. So for example, Shein. So look up for Shein. So you'll get to Shein site here. So just click on it. All right. So once you get to the website, so what you're going to do now here, you will be once you select this, if you click on this website here, so this will take you to the Shein website. So it's going to open in a new browser to the Shein website, on the Shein website. So just go for it, open it up. So once you open it up, and all you have to do from here is just do your usual browsing and then shopping like how you normally do. So just choose any item that you wish to purchase and then add it to your cart, and then just proceed with the checkout till you reach this section here, the payment method. So get everything done and then come to this option here. So payment method, under payment method. So all you have to do now here is under payment method, just click on Afterpay and then hit on continue to payment and then complete your payment using Afterpay. So that's how you use Afterpay. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you on another video. Thank you.